Hi, are you responsible for Microsoft Teams quality across dozens of locations? You know the pain, quality drops, users complain, and you're the last to know. What if Kollective sent Teams quality alerts directly to your Slack channel where your team already works? You could spot trends, collaborate, and fix issues for entire locations. First, go to api.slack.com/aps, click Create New App, choose from scratch, name it Kollective Teams Alerts, and select your workspace. Click Incoming Webhooks, toggle it on, click Add New Webhook, select your channel, and click Allow. Select the copy button next to the webhook URL that was created. In the Kollective portal, go to Manage Notifications, Settings, then Destinations. Click Add Destination, select Slack. Under Notification Type, select Stream Quality, paste your Slack webhook URL, and add a description. Then create. Click Send a Test to verify. Done. Now when Teams quality drops at any location, your team gets notified in Slack. You're proactive, not reactive. Questions? Contact your Kollective team. Thanks.